Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about secant of s equals to 1 over cos s and tan s equals to sin s over cos s. So this one I will put in here. This one we change by this one. So we have cos s to the power of 5 over 2 multiplied by cos s to the power of 7. We can combine this one with this one. So we have 7 plus 5 over 2. That is about 19 over 2. About this one, I can put into sin s to the power of 6 with sin s in here. This one we can put into sin s square everything to the power of 3. Now we have the formula in here. That is about cos s square minus sin s square equals to number 1. Because we have sin s square, so I will put this one go to the right and number 1 we put on the left. So I need to put this one go in here. And now we can use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to cos s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. And we have sin s ds. This one we change by u. This one we change by u to the power of 19 over 2. Sin s ds we change by du. Next, we need to expand this one. Next, this one divide by this one divide by this one, and so on in here. Now we need to simplify. This is about negative number 7 over 2. This is about negative 11 over 2. This one negative 15 over 2. And now we apply the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. And now we have the final answer. So this one we have negative 5 over 2. This one we have negative 9 over 2. This one we have 13 over 2. This one is about negative 19 over 2. About u, that is about cos s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.